Beautiful friends, welcome to the Midday System Reset with Noah Aeon. Today, we're gonna bring it back to you. And for that, what I would like to ask you, let us start with a simple box breathing exercise. Close your eyes, you may lay down or sit up, and just start inhaling. 5 seconds inhale into your nose. 5 seconds hold. 5 seconds exhale out your mouth. Five seconds hold. And continue breathing. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds hold, 5 seconds exhale, and 5 seconds hold. Now with each breath, I want you to call in all of that energy back to you. From all the people, all the places, from the meetings, anywhere you have been today, just imagine it all coming back to you. Throughout the day, we tend to leave our energy all over the place. So claim back what is yours. Now, when you feel this, I want you to reverse that. As you're paying attention to the breath, simply send all of the energy back to all the people, all the places that have left it on you. There is nothing good or bad. It's an energy exchange we have with everyone all the time. But let us claim what belongs to you back so we can recenter. And from this place, the next time you inhale, sense this energy around you that is you without anybody else. This is your time. And with each exhale, sense how you're cultivating all of you back. Because what we're gonna do 3 rounds of deep breathing. We're gonna be inhaling into your mouth for 2 seconds, and we're gonna be exhaling out your mouth for 4 seconds. It's this circular breath that we're gonna use to power up our first 3 energy centers to bring us back to baseline. That being said, I want you to start getting ready and focused because we're gonna start breathing deep into your mouth and exhale out of your mouth. Deeply in and even deeper out. Continue breathing deep. 2 seconds inhale, generating this energy from within, and 2 seconds exhale, releasing any stress, anxiety, anything that you might have picked up on today. With each exhale, I want you to focus how you're blowing the air out. With each inhale, I want you to warm it up, and with exhale, cool it down. Let us breathe. Bring up that energy even higher, even deeper. Because for the next 30 seconds, we're gonna go as deep as your body allows. Now I want you to place that attention into your first energy center around your perineum. Just breathe in and out of this place to ground, to integrate, to bring everything back to earth. Let us breathe. Final 10. Move your body around, whatever feels right for 3, for 2, and now, final deep inhale. Hold your breath on inhale and flex and squeeze your first energy center, the area around your perineum or your bathroom muscle. Keep on holding it right here. Keep on tensing it there and sense how you're resetting your first center. Hold it here even deeper, even stronger. Send the energy into every pore of your skin and Exhale. Shake off your body. Let it all go. Release any tension. Recenter, reharmonize, because we're gonna move into the second round of breath. This time, place the attention underneath your navel. Let us start breathing deep again. 2 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Deep, full saturation on both ends. With each exhale, we're releasing any excessive CO2 out of our system. With each inhale, we're generating this deep energy right below your navel, your sacral chakra, as many traditions call it. Let us go deeply in and even deeper out. Let us go. Let us breathe. If you want to be moving around, if you want to be cultivating more energy, more mana, more chi, this is your time to shine. Final 30 seconds left. This is that time. Can you give me more? Can you go a little bit deeper, a little bit faster? Whatever you've picked up on, anybody you didn't speak up, somebody that have maybe spoken too much, I want you to cleanse it and clear it with each exhale. Final 10 seconds. Can you go higher? Let us breathe. Move into this embodiment. Final 5 seconds left. Final 3. Final 2. 1. And everybody deeply inhale. Hold your breath on inhale, and this time flex the area underneath your navel. Hold it on inhale. Keep on squeezing your lower abdomen. Center right here. Letting that sacral energy to move inside of your body. Allowing the sensation to recalibrate your nervous system. Sense this hold. Final 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it all go. You can shake it off again, recenter, refocus, because we're gonna move into the final third round of breath. This time we're gonna breathe in for 2 and out for 2. We're gonna go much faster. Let us begin. Cultivate this energy. With each inhale, draw the energy into your solar plexus. With each exhale, pour the energy out of your solar plexus. This is the center of your power, center of your chi. Let us upgrade. Let us use the power of breath to activate. Let us use the power of exhale to release. Keep on breathing deep. Yes, you can. Code yourself so you can reset back to baseline now. Let us breathe. Circulate this energy. Final 10 deep breaths. Let us go. Inhale and exhale. Wherever you are, we've got 5. We've got 3, 2, and 1 more deep inhale. Hold your breath on inhale and flex and squeeze the area in your solar plexus. Hold it right here. Keep on holding your breath. This time, add the area underneath your navel, your lower abdomen. Flex the area in your bathroom muscle and all 3 of your energy centers. Move the energy in your heart. Move the energy in your throat into the center of your brain, into the top of your head, and exhale. Wash it all away with this beautiful rain. Hold this intention of imagining yourself being underneath this beautiful cleansing rain. And imagine that every part of your body is filling up with this new water. Water has been proven to bring information into every cell of our body. So what do we want to call this water in? What do we want to code it with? Imagine as if you were filling up as a bucket of water with this pure white, beautiful crystalline water. We're 60 to 70% filled with water, so connecting to the inside and outside. Slow, rhythmical breath. And imagine yourself moving into the ocean. And just relax every part of your body. Feeling yourself so light, so centered. And let it all go even further. Sense the ocean waves pulsating through every pore of your skin. And just start imagining as if any worries, any stress, any tension is simply transmuted into peace, joy, love. Feel yourself so light that if I were to lift you up, I could do it with just one finger. And now we're gonna use the coding exercises of the system reset. System, the hardware, the mind, the software. And just like when we hold the computer for 2 or more seconds, it resets. What we're gonna do, we're gonna talk from the mind, the software, into the water of our body, the hardware. And we're gonna connect our thumb and point finger together and simply tap and state for yourself, system reset, back to baseline now. System reset, back to baseline now. You may at first feel a little pulsation, little feedback from your body, but maybe it will come later. It's okay too. For me, it took a little bit of a practice, so the mind directs the body. Now let us go into the next flow, system reset. Perfect health now. Your body knows what a perfect health means. Let us simply speak it to all of the cells in our body, listening to the superior mind. System reset. Perfect balance now. Your body knows what balance means. Bring it back into this homeostasis. Demand the response. Just like when you send a mail, you write the address and you demand and trust that it will get there. The same way we build the mind-body connection. System reset. Perfect balance. Perfect health. Perfect energy. You code, what do you want to code your body into? Perfect time management, perfect relationships, just so you can allow for this new energy to come through you. Anytime in the day you need a little reset, just simply reset back to what you want to code into. Let this seep in. And now, stay in this beautiful space. Inhale 6 seconds in. And exhale 6 seconds out your nose. 6 seconds inhale. 6 seconds exhale. Slow down the rhythm. Relax every pore of your skin. And imagine yourself breathing through these imaginary champagne-like bubbles bubbling up around your body. Draw that pure essence energy in and essence energy out. Checking in with yourself.